Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Fujitsu Aircon not responding to remote, full reset and sensor troubleshooting. Fix 1 is check the remote batteries. Remove the batteries from the remote, then insert a new pair of batteries. Make sure the batteries are installed in the correct plus and minus direction. Try using the remote again. Second one is check the distance and signal. Stand within 20 feet of an indoor unit, then point the remote directly at the air conditioner. Remove any object blocking the signal. Press the power button and see if the units respond. Third one is clean the remote sensor. Turn off the air conditioner, then find the remote sensor on the front of the indoor unit. Gently wipe the sensor with a soft, dry cloth. Clean the front of the remote as well. Turn the air conditioner back on and test the remote. Fourth one is reset the remote. Remove the batteries, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Reinstall the batteries, then try using the remote again. Fifth one is power reset the air conditioner. Turn off the air conditioner, then switch off the power at the wall switch or circuit breaker. Then wait for 5 minutes. Turn the power back on, then wait about 1 minute, then try the remote again. Thanks for watching.